video, we're going to be getting into when you should take creatine. I've posted a few videos about creatine and my transformation through it, and I've got a lot of questions about it. And this is one of them I've seen come up a few times, where people aren't sure when to take creatine. Before, after your workout, when should we take creatine, Cole? Here's your answer. Okay, so first of all, if you don't really know what creatine is, then check out some videos. I'm going to leave a link to some videos I've made on creatine in the past. So before making this video, I used to think all that really mattered was consistency with taking the creatine. But then the other day I started to look into it more, I started to research more about it, and I found this one study that compared, they had two test groups. One group took creatine before their workout, pre-workout, and then another group took it right after. And I saw some pretty interesting results in the study. I'll put them up on the screen. And the test group that took creatine before had some weird results. They didn't go up as much. Some actually went down in, I think it was their muscle size or something like that. Or yeah, I forgot the word, but it's like fat something. But it has to do with their muscles. And then the post workout group, all their results went up. So this got me intrigued. And in the past, I've been taking my creatine kind of whenever it's just convenient to me. And the study also said that it didn't matter as much on rest days, but it mattered a little more on the days where people they worked out in the gym. Alright, so every day for the next few days, I'm going to be taking it right after my workout, and we're going to kind of compare the results before and after. Because before doing the research for this video, I thought the only thing that really mattered was consistency. But after looking at that study I just mentioned, also I'll leave a link in the description to it, it changed my mind on when I should take it, especially on workout days. Hey, so today's the first day. I just took my creatine, I just had my workout and I just took my creatine shortly after it. And yeah, feeling good, and today is the first day, so let's get into it. Hey guys, I also noticed that the pre-workout I just started taking also has creatine in it. It only has like 1.5 grams of creatine nitrate. So I took that before my workout. So I mean, it's not that much, but I'm still technically taking it before my workout, but not that much. But I'm about to take this right now. Let's put it down the hatch. Yeah, somebody commented on the video, it's like drinking sand. He's right. What's up guys? I got some results I'd like to share with you. I have been taking creatine right after my workout for the last like 5-6 days. Yeah. And I did take some measurements beforehand, and I'll put them up on the screen, the before and the after, and they all went up a little bit, especially in the calves. So I don't know, maybe I'll continue to do it after for more gains. But to be honest, I don't really like taking it straight like I have been, because as someone said in the comments, like, it tastes like sand. And that's why I'm going to be making a video about what you can take with creatine, or how you can put it into some meals to kind of mask that sandy creatine taste by just taking it straight or in water. It's to me personally, it doesn't taste good at all. So here's my answer for when you should take creatine. So I'd say it doesn't matter a whole lot as long as you're consistent with it. But if you're really serious about your results, then I'd consider taking it immediately after, because I did actually see some progress in the last week, because before this week I was just kind of taking it whenever it was convenient throughout the day, and sometimes that would be right after my workout. I'd maybe have a protein shake or something, or I'd have a meal, but usually it wouldn't be till later in the day when it was more convenient, or some days I'd even forget about it and miss a day and then take it the next day. So I'd say if you're really serious about the results, then I'd consider taking it right after your workout, whether that just be straight. Another reason I don't like to really take it after my workout is because sometimes I fast in the mornings. I don't eat that much until a little later in the day, and I know I'm pretty sure creatine doesn't have any calories in it, but I still just would like to eat it with something to mask that sandy taste. Also, another thing I wanted to mention is that yes, when you take creatine is somewhat important, but what is also more important than that is when you're getting sleep. And this doesn't have as much to do with creatine, but it has so much more to do with your health, your gains, and all that good stuff. So I put together a short little guide with a bunch of tips in it that is going to help you get better, higher quality sleep so you can get these gains. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description. Now I got a question for you. When do you take creatine usually? Or are you going to start taking it after your workout? Let me know down in the comments. If you're new here, my name is Cole, and on this channel I like to make videos about habits, health, and personal growth. So if you're into those topics, consider subscribing. But anyways guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.